Hey, just want to let you know, the house behind me, we're going to be launching that this Thursday. It's already on the MLS as coming soon. However, today we've been here with our photography team, a team of 4 people, shooting video and still photos and all of that. So I've been shooting them while they've been shooting the house, so you can kind of see what goes on behind the scenes. So take a look.